in this video I'll be covering the Sportneer Elite D9 percussive massage gun. Like most other massage guns, this unit uses percussive or vibration therapy to manipulate the body's soft tissue. By applying rapid bursts of pressure, it's supposed to help you recover faster while reducing pain, fatigue, and lactic acid buildup in your muscles. The use of the massage gun can also help prevent delayed onset muscle soreness after a serious workout. Many of these massage guns are handheld with several attachments, so you can give yourself a massage on hard to reach places without going to a massage therapist or bribing your partner for one. Let's see what's inside. Speaking of attachments, the Sportneer comes with 6 head attachments, 2 of which have metal tips. The ones with the metal tips can be used with oils to give the massage a smoother feeling by reducing the friction between your skin and the attachment. The D9 delivers 6 speeds of percussive therapy and reaches 3,200 RPMs or repetitions per minute. Turn the unit on with the middle power button, and these 3 bottom lights show the power levels of the D9. With each press, it'll turn up the speed of the percussion. There's these top lights that also turn on to gauge how much pressure you're applying. There's a lithium chargeable battery in this thing, and it can last from 2 to 6 hours, and it's also got a 10-minute auto-off function to prevent it from overheating. It has a charger, which you can plug into a standard outlet. Here in North America, it's a 120 volt interface. Aside from using while cordless, you can also use it while it's plugged in. Some say it's on the heavier side, but at 2.3 pounds, I haven't found it too bad. Also, in regards to sound, at the operating level of about up to 40 decibels, it's supposed to be pretty quiet, and hopefully you won't disturb those around you. Massage guns don't eliminate muscle soreness, but they'll reduce the problems associated with it, like helping to relieve pain, tension, and inflammation when used regularly. You can also use the massage gun daily, but just don't overdo it. So at around $125, the Sportneer Elite D9 is a solid performer for the price. Thanks for watching.